Create a URP unlit shader and give it some name. Create a Fresnel node. Connect the output of Fresnel node to the base color. Create a float variable known as power and give the default value 1, maximum value 10 and mode as slider, and grab it into the graph and connect that power float variable to the power point of the Fresnel node. By varying the power value, we can adjust the rim size. Now create a color property known as edge color and grab it into the graph and connect it to the multiply node and the output of the Fresnel node to the multiplied node and the output of multiplied node back to the base color. Now change the edge color into a bluish color. After saving the shader graph, you will create a new 3D sphere and create a new material from the new shader and attach this material to the 3D sphere. In order to create a pulsating node, we first create a time node and another property in order to control the speed of this pulse, and we multiply that value, and the output of the multiply node is connected to the sine node in order to create a sine wave. Now we want to remap the sine value from -1, 1 to 0 to 1 using the remap node, and the remap node and the intensity value is multiplied together. Now our pulsating rim effect using the Fresnel node is completed. Now we want to add the noise to the rim so that it have some sort of a noise texture. We create a simple noise using the noise node and a tiling and offset. And by multiplying with a noise color, we get a noise texture. After that, we connect the noise to the Fresnel output and then connect it to the fragment shader.